Hello, student. Today we will do question number 6 from exercise test yourself of chapter 3 Concise Mathematics class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. See, question is Gopal had some rupees 100 share of a company A paying 10% dividend. He sells a certain number of this share at a discount of 20% and invests the proceeds in rupees 100 share at rupees 60 of a company B paying 20% dividend. If his income from the shares sold increased by rupees 80,000, find the number of shares sold by. So first we have to find the number of shares sold. So let the number of shares sold be X. So number of shares sold X. So dividend. First we will find dividend on share. Paying 10% dividend or rupees 10. Earlier it was 10. So total dividend on number X share. Total dividend on X shares equal to 10x. Now he have sold X shares at rupees SP of 1 share. It's going to rupees 60. Then SP of X share. $60 into X is equal to 60x. And this is the selling price, and invest the proceeds in rupees 100 share at a discount. Selling price of discount 80. Here it is selling price of 1 share is 80. Selling price is 1 share 80. Here will be also 80. This is 80. Now invest the proceeds in rupees 100 share at rupees. Now number of new shares. Number of the shares dot is equal to, because the cost price of 1 share is rupees 60 and total investment is 80x, so 80x divided by 60 with 4, 3, 4x by 3. This is number of shares, and paying 20% dividend on one share. One share is equal to new the share which have bought lot later. So the dividend on one share is rupees 20, and then total dividend is equal to number of share is 4x by 3 into 20, means 80x by 3. Now according to question, 80x by 3 minus earlier the dividend early, here the dividend was 10x. This is 10x dividend on Excel. So this will, we will subtract 10x by 1 is equal to given 18,000. Now solve 3, 80x minus 30x, 18,000. 80x is equal to 3 into 18,000. X is equal to 3 into 18,000 divided by 50. Rupees, oh sorry, rupees not. This I that 50 360. Is 60. Now this will multiply them. This is the answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.